I'm going to talk about occurring patterns. So watch YouTube shorts also. So there's some negative P&A for next 24 hours after that. It's gonna glitch. So there's some positive P&A. Let's go to 24 hours after that. There's some positive P&A, but it's gonna turn negative. I think it's for yesterday. So this check it later. So let's go to 7 p.m. It's negative P&A, but it's gonna get stronger. So 7 p.m. There's some negative P&A. So it's gonna go up to the beginning. No, nothing changed from yesterday. So let's talk about the pressure pattern. So 1 p.m. So this gonna open up the pen. So Whitehall and Sound, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Orilla, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Isles, Port Elgin. So those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m. So Whitehall and Sound, Collingwood, Port Elgin, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Isles, Peterborough, not Peterborough. So Uxbridge, those cities are gonna get some Palm Beach, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 a.m. actually. So Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Dr. Richmond Hill, Scarborough, Suffolk, Newmarket, Orangeville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara on the Lake, parts of Niagara Falls, City Point, Erie, London, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Orilla, Georgia, Beverly Hills. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. That's 2.5. Let's do 2.5. So line said obey Whitechannel and Sunport Elgin Hanover. Those is parts of Niagara Falls City. Langton, Long Point. Those cities are gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 1 p.m. actually. So Belleville. There's only one, and it's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including Port Aries. So seven. Skipped multiple, so many things. So line said, Bay, Port Elgin, Hanover, Whitehall, Windsor, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Orilla, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Isles, Newmarket, Suffolk, Orangeville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Peterborough, Long Point, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including Scarborough, downtown Toronto, Oakville. So let's go to next 24. No, it's gonna be next hour actually. So line said obey Whitechannel and South Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Port Elgin, Hanover, Orilla. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 a.m. So Whitechannel and Sun, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Port Elgin, Hanover, Niagara on the Lake. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including Barrie. So let's do heavy precipitation. Collingwood is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 1 p.m. actually. So Brighton, Owen Sound, Collingwood, Lionshead, or Bay, ignore Collingwood. So Niagara on the lake parts of Niagara Falls, City Point, Elgin, Hanover, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. 2.5 is in Collingwood. So London is also 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 10 p.m. Why so lose the extra chat. So so let's go to next hour actually. So let's go to 7 a.m. So Whitechannel and South Line said obey Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Berry. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 1 p.m. The Whitechannel and South Collingwood line said obey Port Elgin, Hanover, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Orilla, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Isles, London. Peterborough, Coburg, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Scarborough, Snowfall, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Hamilton, Oakville, Niagara-on-Lake, Niagara Falls, City Fort Erie, Langtown, Long Point. Those is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next 7 p.m. actually. So, Lionshead, Bay, Whiteton, Owenson, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Orlando, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Isles, Port Elgin, Hanover, Scarborough, Stouffville, Newmarket, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Hamilton, Burlington, Niagara-on-Lake, Niagara Falls, city parts of it, not London, not gonna count. So, Long Point, Langton, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Fort Erie is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Greenspan is gonna get skipped. So let's go to 7 a.m. So Uxbridge, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Isles. Those cities are gonna get some Lionshead or Bay. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 1 p.m. This should be nothing else. Let's go to 7 p.m. There's nothing. So let's look at the total, or then talk about the pressure pattern. So is it a delayed pressure pattern actually? So it's gonna be 7 p.m. So 1016 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 24 hours after that. There's a 1016 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 7 p.m. 1028. Let's go to, oh, it didn't do much. Properly. So there's some 1028 still. So let's go to 7 p.m. 1016 millibars of pressure. There's also Southwest Ontario. So zoom out to Southwest Ontario is 1020 millibars pressure. Also 1060 millibars pressure in Southern Ontario. So let's go to 7 p.m. 1008 millibars and 1012 millibars. So let's look at the total precipitation. Total rainfall, snowfall, whatever. All precipitation types combined. So Collingwood's 1 millimeters, Whitetown's 2 millimeters, Owen Sound is going to get some 2.4 millimeters. Palm Beach, Solid Bay is going, no, that's different. So Palm Beach is going to be, actually is going to be, it's going to be 2.3. Solid Bay is also, it's going to be 2.3 millimeters. Thunder Beach, 2.3 millimeters. Midland is actually going to be 0.7. Berry is going to be 2.5. Georgia is going to be in average is 1.2, but it's going to be heavier. So Beverly Hills 1.2. Lion's Head, the whole bay is going to be different. So Lion's Head is actually going to be like 0.6, 5 millimeters. Hope's Bay is actually 0.5 also. So Port Elgin is going to get some 1.7. Hanover is going to get some 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. So Coburg is going to be 0.2. Peterborough is going to be 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to 8 p.m. to do 7 p.m. also. Let's actually do 7 p.m. So like everywhere in most part of Toronto is going to get some 0.2 millimeters of rain, including Hamilton, Burlington. So Barrie, Georgia, Beverly is order going to be 0.2 millimeters, 0.7 millimeters of rainfall by that's mean average, but actually it's going to be could be 1 millimeters actually. So Orella is going to be 2.5 millimeters. Palm Beach is 2.5, 4 millimeters in Thunder Beach, 5 actually. It's going to be 5. So Salt Lake Base actually is going to be 4 millimeters of rainfall. Midland is actually 2.5 millimeters. Lines Head is going to be 1.2. Hope's Bay is actually 1.7 millimeters of rainfall. Right to 1 millimeters. Owen Sound is going to get some. It's going to get some 1.7 millimeters. Where Elgin 1.7. Hanover is 1.7. Oshawa's Uxbridge is going to be 0.7 millimeters. Niagara on the Lake is going to be 0.7. Niagara Falls City is going to be 1.2. Between 1.2 and 1.7 millimeters. So lightest in Niagara Falls City is going to be 1.7. Heaviest 1.2. So 1.2 is the lightest in Niagara Falls, and Niagara Falls also gets heaviest is 1.7. So when 0.2 is in London, so Port Elgin was done. So Collingwood is gonna get some 1 millimeters of rainfall. So Newmarket Orange Hill Snowfall is gonna get some 0.2 millimeter. Actually 0.6. But it's not 0.6, it's not Orange Hill. So the Orange Hill is gonna be 0.2 actually. So let's go to 24 hours after that. So let's do 7 p.m. So the wire ton is gonna get 0.6, 0.7, Owen Sound Collingwood, 4 millimeters. Hope's Bay is gonna get some 0.4 millimeter. Actually, it's gonna get some 1.1 millimeters. 0.2 is in Lion's Head. Port Elgin is going to be 0.7 millimeters. Hanover is gonna get some 0.2 millimeters. Could be because it breaks counts. So Niagara on the Lake is 2 millimeters. Niagara Falls City heaviest is 0.7, lightest 0.2. So London is going to get some 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. So Thunder Beach is going to get some 0.2. Barbados is going to get 0.2. So let's go to next hour. And then we double check after the whole weather model is done. So Brahms is 1 millimeters, Mississauga is 1.2, Delta 1 millimeters, Dover 2 millimeters, Scarborough 1.5, Newmarket 2, Orangeville is 1, Peterborough, Cooks, which is going to be 3 millimeters, Oshawa is going to be 2 millimeters, Coburg is going to be through 2 millimeters, Peterborough 2, Belleville 0.7, Hamilton 1, Fitzroy 1, Niagara on Lake 1, London 1, Whiteham 4, Collingwood 2, Port Elgin 4, Lionside Bay 4, Palm Beach is going to be 2.5, Solid Bay, Thunder Beach is actually going to be 3, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay is actually 4, so Barrie is going to be 2.3, Georginia is actually going to be 3 millimeters, Beverly Isles is going to be 1.7, but it's actually going to get some 2.5 millimeters, 2.3, 4 actually. Orella is going to be 2 millimeters. What else? Hanover is going to get some 4 millimeters of rainfall. So Niagara on the Lakes 1 millimeters, 2 millimeters. Niagara Falls City 480 is going to be 4 millimeters of rainfall. So Orangeville. So this Lyington is going to get some 0.7. Long Point is 0.7 also. So let's go to next where actually let's go to 114 hours, which is a little bit of rainfall. So lines skipped. So Alec B is 0.2 millimeters. For L is 0.2 millimeters. Line says it's skipped. For area is going to get some 0.2 millimeters. Let's do it again. Let's double check. So 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. So 7 p.m. is slightly different. So I need precipitation, light precipitation change. So let's do 7 p.m. We did this. So let's go to Saturday. Why is it 7? Let's go to Sunday, December 14th. Now December 15th. 7 p.m. We did this. That's the end. So let's look at the winter precipitation once every 12 hours. 7 p.m., not 8 p.m. Makes a 1 day skipped. So for the total precipitation, Whiteton's 2.1 centimeters, Collingwood to 1.4. Palm Beach is going to get some 1.2 centimeters, 1.2, no, it's 1.1 centimeters in Thunder Beach. Solid Bay is actually 0.4 centimeters. Midland is actually, it's going to be 1.4 centimeters, or 0.2. Georginia is going to get some 2.5 centimeters. 2.5 is in Beverly Hills. Barrie is going to get some, 4 millimeters, centimeters of snowfall. Lion's Head is going to be 0.3, no, 0.4 centimeters. Hobbs Bay 0.8 centimeters. Oshawa is 0.1. Uxbridge 0.3. Peterborough 0.5. Coburg 0.2. Belleville 0.2. So Port Elgin is going to get some 1.3 centimeters. Hanover is going to get some 0.2 centimeters. So let's Owen Sound time. So Owen Sound is going to be 2.7 centimeters. Collingwood is done. So So let's look at the next 24 hours, 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 7 p.m. So 1.3 is in Barton, 1.1 Collingwood, Port Elgin is 1.4, Honor is going to be 1.4, but it's going to be different. So it's actually not 1.4, it could be, actually it could be 1.4, but Bean Amherst is 1.3, so line said whole bay is going to be 1 centimeter difference. So, but let's do Hope's Bay. So Hope's Bay is actually is going to get some, not 1 centimeters. So it's going to be 2.4 centimeters, 2.3 is in Lion's Head. So Bomb Beach is actually going to get some 2.5 centimeters. Thunder Beach is going to get some 4 centimeters. Solid Bay is actually 4 centimeters. Midland is going to get some 2.5 centimeters. Owen Sun is going to get some. It's going to get some 1.4 centimeters. So London is 0.2, Hamilton 0.3, Brampton 0.2, Downtown Toronto 0.3, Snowfall 0.3, Scarborough 0.3, 2x 0.2 Scarborough, Newmarket 0.5, same thing as gonna skip Orangeville, or 0.5 is Orangeville, 0.2x, by 0.5. Uxbridge 0.5, Arsway 0.4, Peterborough 1.0, Cobourg 0. No, 2.9, Belleville 2.6, Niagara on Lake 0.4, and then 1.5 is Niagara Falls City. So Mississauga is going to be 0.3 centimeters. Newmarket is actually 0.2 centimeters. So let's do Orangeville. Orangeville is done actually. So the Berry is going to be 0.56, 0.6. Georgina is 0.6, Beverly is 0.7. So 0.7. Beverly ISO is 1 centimeters. Orella is going to be touching like 2.5 centimeters. So let's do we'll go back and tell Richmond Hills. So there's no Richmond Hill actually. There's no precipitation. Let's go to 24 hours after that. Langton Long Point is skipped. So London is 0.4, Wyton is 0.4, Collingwood 0.8. Port Elgin is going to be 1.3 centimeters. Hanover is going to be 0.2 centimeters. So Niagara on Lake 1.6, 0.9, Niagara Falls City, Newmarket is 0.2, Palm Beach on the beach is going to be 0.2. Actually, Palm Beach is 0.2, 0.2 is in Thunder Beach. Barrie is 0.2. Lines, no, Hope's base actually is going to be 1.2 centimeters. 0.2 is in, no, 0.4 is in Lion's Head. So let's go to like previous hour later on. So let's go to 7 p.m. So Whiteton 4.1, Collingwood 1.5, Brampton 1.4, Downtown 1.5, Stouffville 1.9, Scarborough. Newmarket is 1.8, Orangeville is 1.4, but that's actually 1.8. So 1.7. Peterborough 1.6, also 1.2.4, Uxbridge 2.8, 1.8 is Cobourg, 0.8 is Zimbabwe. Niagara Lake is going to be 1.2. Niagara Falls City is going to be 1.9. Fort Erie is going to be like 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters actually. So Hamilton 1.1. So London is 1.5. So Orangeville is done. So it skipped something. So Palm Beach. Palm Beach is actually going to be 1.3. Thunder Beach is actually going to be 1.2. No, it's going to be 2.4 centimeters. Thunder Beach. Solid base actually is going to be 2.5 centimeters, and 2.4 is actually going to be Thunder Beach. So Barrie is going to be 2.6 centimeters. Georginia is going to be, Beverly Isles is going to be 2.4 centimeters. Orella is going to be 2 point something. So it's actually 1.3, but going to be closest to there. So it's actually going to be 1.3 centimeters, 1.4 centimeters actually. So Port Elgin is going to get some 3.7 centimeters. Hanover is going to get some 1.3 centimeters as it's normal. So Midland is going to be 1.3 centimeters. lines, and Hope's Bay is going to be 2.5 centimeters. Long Point is going to get some 0.2 centimeter. No, it's going to get some long point. No, that's Langton. So Langton is actually going to get some 1.3 centimeter. Actually, it's going to get some close to 2.3, so it's 1.1 centimeters. Long Point is going to be close to same thing, so it's actually 1.1 centimeters. So for Erie, don't really count. So let's go to next where Oakville's going to be the same thing. It doesn't count. So Mississauga, it's going to be 1.5. Richmond Hill is going to be like between it's going to be 1.225, 1.25 centimeters of snowfall. So Scarborough has to be like 1.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's actually double check. So 1.3 centimeters of snowfall in Scarborough actually. So let's go to next actual hour. Let's go to 7 p.m. actually. So Port Elgin is going to get some 0.2. So actually gets nothing. So like nothing for the rest of Southern Ontario. So Cobourg to 0.3, Belleville 0.1. So rest of Southern Ontario sees nothing for now. So let's look at the total. No, there's nothing else. Well, 7 p.m. it shows up. So so 0.25 millimeters of what is this precipitation. Sleet is in Niagara Falls City. Parts of it and Fort Erie is also gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of freezing rain. Let's skip today's morning because the model is delayed. Oh, let's actually refresh. So London's -6, Whiteham -2, Collingwood -2, Brampton -2, Stouffville -3, Richmond Hill's 2, Exeter -3. So -2 is in Richmond Hill, down to Toronto -2, Mississauga -2. So we're doing Scarborough first, like Toronto first actually. So Scarborough's -2. So it mean average of Toronto is -2.5. The city of Toronto. So Hamilton is -2. Niagara on the Lake -2. Niagara Falls City is -4. Oshawa is -2, -3. Newmarket, Uxbridge, Peterborough, Belleville, Cobourg is -1. Owen Sound is -2. Port Elgin -1. Hanover is going to be -2 degrees. Actually, -1. -2 degrees. Lionside, OB is going to be -2. So Bomb Beach is -1. Thunder Beach is -1. Solid Bay is going to be -2. Midland, nothing. So Aurora, not going to show -3. Barrie is -2. Georginia is -1. -2. Beverly is -2. So Long Point is actually it's going to get Long Point, no, -2 degrees. So let's go to 8 a.m. Sorry, one day skipped today's sources. So let's do stuff from Toronto. So Mitchell Hills -3, Scarborough is going to be -3, Brampton -3, Mississauga -3, Downtown Toronto -2, Stouffville -4, -4 Newmarket, Orangeville, Uxbridge -5, Oshawa -2, Peterborough -4, -1 Cobourg, Belleville -2, Niagara on the Lake -1, Niagara Falls City is -1, Queens Point -1, -1 in Hamilton. So London -2, Whiteham -5, -4 Collingwood, Lionshead, OB is going to be -4. So Long Point is actually 0 degrees. So Barrie time. So Barrie is -4, -3 is Georginia, Orilla, -4 is in Beverly, Isles. So Orison is actually is going to be different. So Port Elgin -4, Hanover is going to be -5. So Thunder Beach, no, it's gonna be Thunder Beach. So Thunder Beach, Sotheby is actually is going to be -1 degrees. Bomb Beach is -2 degrees. So let's go to might skip something. So let's go to next hour, 3 p.m. actually. So December 13th. So Whiteham -8, Collingwood -7, -10, London -8, Brampton, down to Toronto, Richmond Hill is going to be -7 degrees, -8. Down to Toronto -6, Mississauga -6, Scarborough -7, Hamilton -6, Niagara on the Lake -6, Niagara Falls City is Niagara Falls City, Niagara on the Lake is -6, Oshawa -6. Uxbridge -7. Minimum market is -8. Orange was -9. Peterborough -7. Coburg -4. Belleville -5. So no, let's do Lake Cinco first. So -8 Barry, Georgina -6, Beverly Hills -6, -7. No, -6. Orla is going to be -6 degrees. Bab no, it's going to be Palm Beach is -5. Thunder Beach, Sotheby is going to be -4 degrees. Lions Head or Bay is going to be -6 degrees, but it's actually -7. Let's do -7 instead. Two standard numbers, they're going to be different. So Long Point is going to be -8 degrees. That's Long Point. So Langton actually is going to be -8. Long Point is going to be different temperatures. So I don't actually let's skip Long Point and Langton. So let's go to this 3 p.m. So this is 1 hour off. So let's skip it. So 8 a.m. Actually, let's do 7 a.m. So 7 a.m. Most of southern Ontario between -10 and -14 degrees. So the Whites and -13, Collingwood -11, London -15, Brampton -12, 13 -13 is in Snowfall, Scarborough -12, Richmond Hill is -12, Downtown Toronto -11, Mississauga -11, Hamilton -10, Newmarket or Orangeville -14, -13, Uxbridge, Oshawa is -11, Peterborough is gonna be -12, Coburg -10, Belleville -1, Niagara-on-the-Lake -11, Niagara Falls City -14. -11 is in Port Erie, so Orangeville is going to be -14 degrees. So -14 degrees is in Barrie, Georginia -12, Orilla is going to be -17 degrees, Beverly Hills is actually -14 degrees, Lions and Hopes Bay is going to be actually -9 degrees. So Hopes Bay, no, it's going to be it's Port Elgin -7, Hanover is going to be -12. So Bomb Beach is actually going to be -11 degrees. Thunder Beach is actually going to be -10 degrees. Solid Beach is actually -13 or 14, -13 degrees, 14 degrees. No, -15 degrees in Midlands. So let's go to next 3 p.m. It could be 4, but 3 p.m. So London -13, Whitehall -9, Collingwood -8, Brampton -11 degrees, -12 degrees in Richmond Hill, -13 is in Stouffville, -10 degrees is in Toronto. Scarborough is going to be -12 degrees. Oshawa, no, Mississauga is -10 degrees. Oshawa -13 degrees. Uxbridge -12. Orangeville -7. Newmarket -12. Peterborough -14. -12. Coburg, Belleville -13. Niagara-on-the-Lake -9. -9. Niagara Falls City, Hamilton -8. So good spy. So skip a good spy. So Lion's Head or base are going to be -7 degrees. Like some Lion's Head is -8, -7 is hope to be. So Bomb Beach actually is going to be -6 degrees, -7 actually. Thunder Beach is -8, Solid Beach -11 degrees. Barrie is going to be -11 degrees. Georginia -11 degrees. Beverly Isles is going to be -12 degrees. Orella -14 degrees. So -9 degrees is in for Aries. So the orange sound is actually going to be -10 degrees? -10 degrees. So let's see all in the video. It's going to be 30 minutes. So let's look at the next hours. So let's go to 7 a.m. So Whitehall -7, Collingwood -8, London -9, Brampton -9, Stouffville -11. So Richmond Hill is actually -9 degrees, Downtown Toronto -8, Mississauga is -7 degrees, Scarborough. Oshawa is -11, Uxbridge -9, 12. Orangeville is -9, Peterborough -14, Coburg -12, Belleville -17, Niagara-on-the-Lake -6, Niagara Falls City -8, Hamilton -6. Lions Head is going to be -4, Hopes Bay is actually -6. degrees, 5 degrees, -5 so as well. So Palm Beach -8. Thunder Beach is actually going to be -5. Solid Bay is going to be -10 degrees. Midland is going to be -14 degrees. So let's go to 3 p.m. Wait, did we skip anything? There's nothing else. So London -6, Whitechapel -6, Collingwood -8, -8, Brampton, Stouffville, Richmond Hill is -8, -6. Mississauga is going to be -6 degrees, Scarborough is going to be -7 degrees, Oshawa -7, Booksbridge -9, Orangeville, Newmarket is -9, Peterborough -7, Coburg -5, Belleville -5, and everywhere in Niagara Falls -4, Hamilton -5. So Lions Head or Bay is going to be -3 degrees. Palm Beach is going to be -5 degrees. Thunder Beach is actually going to be let's see the temperatures. So it's going to be -4 degrees. Solid Beach -4 degrees. So Oakville -5 degrees. So Port Elgin is -5 degrees. Hanover is going to be -6 degrees. -6 degrees. So actually -7 is. So let's actually double check everything is done. So everything looks done except Lake Cinco. So Barrie is -8, Jotinia is going to be -7, Orilla is going to be -7, Beverly Hills is -8. So let's go to the 7 a.m. So Whiteham -4, Collingwood -5, London -9, Brampton -6, -6 at Stouffville, -6, 5 Wilson, downtown Toronto. Scarborough is going to be 6 by 5, -5.5, -6, by -5.5 actually. So Mississauga is going to be -6 degrees, Hamilton -8, Niagara on Lake -7, Niagara Falls City -9, -6, Newmarket slash Orangeville, Uxbridge, also -5, Peterborough -7, Coburg -5, Belleville -7, -7 in Green Spy, the Oakville -8, so Orangeville. So Lions Head or Bay is going to be -2 degrees, so okay, 1 degree off. So Palm Beach is actually is minus something. So Palm Beach is actually -3 degrees. So Thunder Beach is actually -2 degrees. Solid Bay is actually -5. -6. No, it's -5. Midland is actually -6. Orilla is -8. Prairie is -5. Georginia is going to be -4 degrees. Beverly Hills -5 degrees. But LJ -9. Hanover is going to be -4 degrees. So let's do next hour, like final hour actually, 4 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. So London -1, Whiteham -3, Collingwood -3, Brampton, Stouffville -4, Richmond Hill -4, Downtown London -2, Scarborough -3, Mississauga -2, Hamilton -1, Oakville -1, Niagara on Lake -1, Niagara Falls City -2, -5 is in Newmarket, Orangeville -4, Uxbridge -5, Oshawa -4, 2, -3, Peterborough -0 is going to be Coburg, Belleville -2. So let's do -2 is Niagara Falls City. So Owen Sound is going to be -4 degrees. Hope's Bay going to be -2 degrees. Lions Head is 1 degrees. So Palm Beach is going to be -3 degrees. Thunder Beach is actually -1 degrees. Salt Lake Bay is going to be -3 degrees. Midland is going to be -5 degrees. -5 Barrie, Beverly Isles. Orella, Georginia is going to be -4 degrees. So this is Niagara Falls. It is -2 degrees. The Port Elgin is going to be 2 degrees. Hanover is going to be Sunday we skipped, so it's going to be -3 degrees, -4. Actually, -4 is possible. So -4 is actually Hanover. So this is the end of the video.